Ready to ditch the tech overwhelm and finally master Zoom? Let's dive in. First, head to Zoom's in your web browser. Click on the Sign Up. It's free button. It's usually near the top right. Enter your email address and follow the prompts. You might need to confirm your email, so check your inbox for a message from Zoom. Once you're signed up, download the Zoom app for your computer or phone. Look for the Download Center on the Zoom website. Open the Zoom app and sign in with the email and password you just created. This is your Zoom home base. To start a meeting, click the New Meeting button. Zoom will launch a meeting window. You can invite others by clicking the Invite button. Share the meeting ID or invitation link with your friends, family, or colleagues. To join a meeting, click the Join button. Enter the meeting ID and your name. During a meeting, use the controls at the bottom of the screen. You can mute or unmute your microphone, start or stop your video, and even share your screen. Use the chat feature to send messages to everyone or individual participants. It's great for sharing links or quick notes. And that's it. You've now got the basics down. With a little practice, you'll be a Zoom pro in no time, connecting with everyone effortlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.